So no priors, Roger?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay.
And so what's the drug?
Let me give you cause number. You ready?
I got talked to,
533-02. And then I guess before we leave, if you can run an NCIC to see if there's any other priors.
I talked to Abigail, I'm sorry.
No, no problem.
Salgado,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, you were charged with assault of a family member. You are facing up to a year in jail and or $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Judge. The complainant and the defendant are mother and daughter, and the officer was dispatched to a residence in Terrace County, Texas, in response to a family disturbance. The complainant told the officers that she arrived home to find the defendant packing her things. The complainant began discussing the defendant's life choices, which led to an argument. The complainant tried to get the defendant to stay at the home, but the defendant grabbed the complainant by the shoulder and shoved her against the wall, causing pain.
Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's enough probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you guys have the rip done?
There's a rip on your honor.
Which is does mom want contact with her?
My understanding, she's okay with contact.
She wants contact, Your Honor.
Is she here now?
No, she lives in a separate home. Since that incident, she's moved.
So I want you to understand something, Ms. Salgado. I'm now entering what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. Gonzalez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon. Do you understand? If you violate this court order, the state can and probably will file a violation of protective order. And that is one of the worst misdemeanor cases that you can pick up. So just be nice. If you butt heads constantly, find another way. Go outside, do something else. But if you guys get into it again and there are threats made, you might end up back in jail. You understand? So this usually comes with a residential restriction that you cannot go back to the house. I will take this off. I am ordering you not to have any threatening or harassing contact with her. What is threatening or harassing doesn't matter what you think. It's what she perceives. So conduct in and of itself can violate this. You understand?
You can speak out. Okay, I understand.
Do you mind filing another threatening or harassing?
Yes, Judge.
Please. So bond,
Judge, we are asking for $100 pretrial bond. She has no history. Once she found out about the case, she hired us. We're here presenting ourselves and availing ourselves to the court's jurisdiction. I don't think she's a flight risk or a threat to the community.
response?
And Judge, there is no criminal history, and
Okay.
given the complainant's statement to us, we wouldn't be opposed.
Okay, so I'm with you. I'll set bond at $100
Thank you, Your Honor.
and then I'm going to grant you a PR bond. That means that I'm giving you a free bond today. But understand that I'm going to protect my community at all costs. If I find that you become a danger to my community, I will revoke that PR bond, issue a warrant and put you in jail. No more. You will not get any more. Do you understand? Now, because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them and they will tell you if and when you have to come back to court. Okay? All right. So I'll have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you get with Felicia for your conditions and then you're free to go. Okay?
Judge, may we be excused, please?
So, PR bond and $100.